Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're looking for a way to spice up your potatoes, then you're in luck with this roasted garlic Parmesan potatoes recipe. This side dish is not only flavorful but also packed with nutrients to keep you on track with your health goals. It's also easy to make with ingredients you likely already have on hand. These potatoes are flexible and you can easily change up the seasonings and pair your favorite protein or vegetables with it. Here's how to make it. Start by rinsing your potatoes and drying them off. We're leaving the skins on for this recipe, but you can peel them off if you desire. Take out a cutting board and place your potato on it. Begin cutting your potato into small 1-inch cubes. No worries if there's a big difference in size. Just do the best you can to make them as uniform as possible. After you are done cutting all of your potatoes, take out a large bowl and add all of your potato pieces into the bowl. Pour enough water to cover all of the potatoes and let them soak for about 30 minutes to an hour. This will remove excess starch to help get them crispier. If you're in a hurry though, you can skip this step. After they're done soaking, drain your potatoes and pat them dry. Preheat your oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Return your potatoes to your large bowl and add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Mince 6 garlic cloves and add the mince into the bowl. For our seasonings, we're using 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon smoked paprika, half a teaspoon onion powder, half a teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Finally, add 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. Carefully mix everything together until all of the potatoes are coated. Take out a baking sheet and line it with some parchment paper. Give the parchment paper a light spray of oil and add your potatoes onto the baking sheet. Do the best that you can to try and spread them out. Bake on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes. After about halfway, flip and move them around. Then you can finish baking them for the remaining half of the cooking time. Once they're done, remove it from the oven. Garnish with fresh parsley, and you're good to go with your roasted garlic Parmesan potatoes. Simple as that. You can easily cook your other dinner dishes while your potatoes bake. These potatoes will last 3 to 5 days in the fridge, although they're best eaten immediately or within a day or two in order to retain their crispiness and flavorful interior. If you enjoyed the recipe, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Comment if you have any questions or if you intend to make this recipe. Thank you all for the support, and I hope you look forward to the next video.